Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your face blurry in CapCut for PC. So I think it's so easily. So first you can select your videos or just photos that you created. For example, alright, just add to the track. So to make blurry face, you can go to effect and select body effect. And then select clone. You can find phantom face, just add to the track, and you can see where we select this. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.